There was a power failure a few days ago. I'm not sure what the cause was. I wasn't here when it transpired. My neighbor said it only lasted a few minutes, but that of course is enough to disrupt the operation of all these clocks. This one either doesn't have any batteries in it, or I took the batteries out to use for something else during Christmas time. Either way, I've got some batteries here. I just charged these up. We're going to put these batteries in. We're going to put the batteries in this one. We'll put fresh batteries in the one in the bedroom, and we'll put fresh batteries in the one in the living room. I always try to keep batteries in them because if something happens that causes a power outage, quite often is probably something going on you need to be warned about as well. So having the battery backup in these is ideal. Takes 3 AA batteries, and it does have batteries in there, but I guess I didn't charge them up, so that's not helpful. They might as well not even be in there then. I use rechargeable batteries because I don't trust alkaline batteries, and you know, if I do end up using the radio when the power goes out, it just drains the batteries anyways, so I kind of like having the recharged ones, and I'd rather just go around every month and take them out and recharge them, make sure they're still good. I'm pretty sure that it should hold the time in the event that the power loss, if there's batteries. Yeah, it does. Okay. So those batteries were definitely spoiled. I don't think it was from the power outage. My neighbor said that the power outage was only a few minutes. Not good. Okay.
Surely. And here are the latest observations.
Alright, it's getting a good signal. So right now it is 7:42 p.m. Okay, that's corrected, and there is another clock in here on this thermometer, but that one does not work off of line power, so it was not affected. I don't think there's any batteries in here, so we're going to go ahead and install some. No, there are some, but they're out of charge. Okay, this has lost both the date and time, but now the battery message is cleared. Today is February 16th, I think? Yeah. Oh, I didn't do something right. Didn't do something right again. Okay. And we need 751. Okay. That's good. This is the radio in the living room. This one is very flaky with the reception. Sometimes it gets a good signal and sometimes it doesn't.
Friday night, mostly clear.
Right now it's getting a good signal. The batteries in this one are out of charge. I guess I'm really not doing a good job of keeping these charged up. You know what part of the problem is? It uses a lot in the summer, but not so much in the winter. We don't get a lot of warnings in the wintertime.
Friday, 8:18 a.m. 2000.
That's wrong because that was set by
the
the phone system, which should not have the correct time. The correct time is 8:35. This is the radio in the bedroom. And this one has the correct time. So I bet the batteries, yep, the batteries are still good, but we'll go ahead and swap them out anyways because they're probably getting low by now.
The wind was west at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 40.
A lot of wind. This is the most important clock. This is the weather station in the kitchen. And I think that this can take batteries. I think it takes AAA batteries. Requires 3 of them. This weather station is a few minutes behind. We have more lighting in the living room here, or in the kitchen. No point in doing this in the dark.
Sunday, 8:31.
So the power might have been out for approximately 15 minutes.
45 p.m. Sunday, 8:45 p.m.
Oh, for heaven's sakes, that wasn't recording? Well, that's stupid. I just reset this time on this thing and it wasn't even filming. The only way to set the time on this is to call. So I'll call. Oh, there's a lot of glare on there. I'll call and we should get new time information. And that should have reset the time on that VTech phone over by the radio. And only thing that's left to reset, I think the unit in 1580s grab it from the caller ID. This 2080 does not, but I already reset that, and apparently it wasn't filming. I reset this, but it wasn't filming, so we'll just do it again.
Sunday, 8:50 p.m.
Okay, everything is reset from the power outage.